Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. You may not be familiar with Visual Studio Code, but something to keep in mind if you're doing code, especially JS and HTML. I need to move these values into my HTML template. And copying and pasting is not much fun, but it makes it a whole lot easier when you can tear off one of your pages so that you can get them side by side and then begin your transfer work. So as you can see, I've already got subheaders done. So the next one is description, copy, and I just paste it in there. And I can do the same quantity, etc. So the ability to tear off your pages to work side by side is quite handy. Thanks for watching and happy computing.